Man flies from Hong Kong to support PewDiePie outside T-Series. A Fisher YouTuber named David Bial flew from Hong Kong to Delhi to sing a song to support PewDiePie outside the T-Series office in Uttar Pradesh's Noida. David is supporting YouTube channel PewDiePie in the race with T-Series to remain the world's most subscribed YouTube channel. "I am doing my best to try to save PewDiePie," David said. World's longest 3D printed concrete bridge opens in China. The world's longest 3D printed concrete pedestrian bridge, which is 26.3 meter long and 3.6 meter wide, opened in China's Shanghai last week. The bridge is made out of 44 hollowed-out 3D printed concrete blocks which were printed by two robotic arms in a span of 19 days. The newly opened bridge has a technology that supplies data which also includes vibrating wire stress sensors. WhatsApp limits text forwards to 5 chats at a time worldwide in order to fight misinformation and rumors. Facebook-owned messenger service WhatsApp is limiting the text forwards to 5 chats at a time for users worldwide. Previously, a WhatsApp user could forward a message to 20 individuals or groups. The limit was introduced in India in July after the spread of rumors on social media led to killings and lynching attempts.